Doluo Dalu Chapter 30, Oscar's Third Spirit Ability. Part 1. Iono, I can't lose. Meng Yuren clenched her teeth and forcefully braced herself, watching Tang San's spirit power come closer step by step. Whatever was said, she was still reluctant to give up. Once she lost, the 1,000-year phoenix tail crest serpent would belong to the other side. From childhood until now, growing up she had always been spoiled by Dragon Duke and Serpent Grandmother. Anything she wanted she had always gotten. Regarding the phoenix tail crest serpent, she was even more determined to win. Even though she was gradually losing the advantage, she could still not agree to give up, continuously pressing her spirit power. Meng Yuren's perseverance secretly shocked Tang San. His mysterious heaven skill's recovery speed was clearly faster than anything in this world. By now he already held the victory, but Meng Yuren was still this stubbornly persistent. A spirit power contest was like an internal strength contest, and Tang San thoroughly understood the consequences. If one party's spirit power was exhausted, then the injuries suffered by the exhausted side were inevitably huge and irrevocable. It would at least cause serious injuries, with most of the whole body's muscle and arteries breaking, if unlucky, even death. He and Meng Yuren did not share any profound hatred. From a certain point of view, he was even somewhat sympathetic to her. He did not want to injure the opponent, but having reached this moment, he already did not want to release, and the other side was not able to release. Serpent Grandmother Chao Tianxiang sighed, saying to Zhao Wuji, "Forget about it, consider it our loss. Shall you and me act together?" With Zhao Wuji on the side glaring like a tiger watching his prey, Chao Tianxiang naturally did not dare recklessly rush into action. Right now, in order to save her granddaughter, she could only do it like this. After all, although the spirit ring was good, her granddaughter's life was even more important. Zhao Wuji of course cheerfully acted, immediately nodding agreement. At once, these two respectively possessing Spirit Sage and Spirit Emperor strength powers simultaneously moved out, reaching behind Tang San and Meng Yuren respectively, simultaneously using their spirit power. "Let go!" Zhao Wuji shouted in a deep voice. Thick spirit power poured into Tang San. Naturally Tang San had heard his and Chao Tianxiang's dialogue. Under the protection of Zhao Wuji's spirit power, he immediately released both hands, sending him back several steps. On the other side, Chao Tianxiang also used her spirit power to protect Meng Yuren, moreover grabbing her body to keep her from continuing to attack. Meng Yuren's complexion was pale, and with retching sounds she belched up a mouthful of blood, listlessly collapsing to sit on the spot. Previously she was at a disadvantage, continuously bracing to resist being forced back by Tang San's spirit power. Without the attack, her agitated capacity dissipated like discharging air from a ball, unable to keep from immediately sitting on the ground. Under Serpent Grandmother's assistance she immediately entered a cultivation state to heal. Oscar swiftly moved up to Tang San's side. Handing over a long-since prepared recovery sausage in his hand, with a wink saying, "Brother, eat quickly. If Big Brother has success in the future, he will definitely never forget you." Tang San tiredly said. To one's own, what is there to say? Immediately taking and eating the fresh sausage, without letting Zhao Wuji help him like Serpent Grandmother Chao Tianxiang helped Meng Yuren, he walked alone to sit and cultivate by himself. With the aid of Oscar's fresh sausage, his recovery speed would not be too slow. Zhao Wuji was the Shrek Academy side's only power. His strength still had to be maintained as much as possible. Who knew whether that Dragon Duke would suddenly appear? Zhao Wuji appeared very satisfied that Tang San refused his help. Watching him walk aside, he couldn't help but reveal a smile. Xiao Wu immediately stood next to where Tang San began cultivating to recover spirit power. Dai Mubai, Ning Rongrong, Zhu Zuking, and Ma Hongjun also went over one after another, crowding around protectively with Tang San in the middle. Tang San defeating Meng Yuren for the sake of Oscar's strength somewhat moved them all. The distance between each other also appeared to pull a bit closer. Zhao Wuji wore a smile as he looked towards Serpent Grandmother. "Big Sister Chao, what do you say?" Serpent Grandmother calmly said. If you agree to a bet, you must accept your loss. A loss is a loss. The 1,000-year phoenix tail crest serpent is yours. This old woman will remember this affair today. Zhao Wuji, acting like he was unable to make sense of Chao Tianxiang's threats, turned his head towards Oscar with a meaningful expression. Stinking brat, you still haven't set to it. Oscar was overjoyed, having waited for this quarter of an hour was already waiting too long, with a hurried stride coming before Zhao Wuji, taking the short blade Zhao Wuji handed over. Without any trace of politeness he pierced the phoenix tail crest serpent's vital point. With Zhao Wuji's spirit power to hold it down, although the phoenix tail crest serpent struggled violently after being pierced in the vital point, how could it struggle free? Vitality quickly draining away, in a moment of it was motionless. Zhao Wuji checked that the phoenix tail crest serpent truly was without any life breath, then just tossed it aside. Oscar sat down directly at the phoenix tail crest serpent's side, lifting his hand to summon his big fresh sausage. Under the shroud of mild pink light, he pulled the phoenix tail crest serpent's spirit ring to enter his torso, starting to absorb the third spirit ring of his life. Zhao Wuji did not relax at all just because Oscar started absorbing the phoenix tail crest serpent's spirit ring. His gaze continuously watched Chao Tianxiang attentively. Although previously saying it was a bet, who could still be certain that this serpent grandmother would not suddenly renege on her word and launch an attack? Although the unrivaled dragon serpent's renown wasn't small, it still wasn't particularly righteous. Even if it was a bit better than Zhao Wuji, this motionless bright king, it was hardly by much. Chao Tianxiang did not at any different, only silently assisting her granddaughter's healing. As Zhao Wuji watched her attentively, she also equally vigilantly watched Zhao Wuji. The two silently confronting each other produced a tension between them. Not long after, Chao Tianxiang stopped pressing her hands on Meng Yuren, pulling her granddaughter from the ground. Although Meng Yuren's complexion was still pale, her mind was apparently already a bit better, resolutely opening her eyes to look at the sitting distantly and cultivating Tang San and Oscar absorbing the 1,000-year phoenix tail crest serpent's spirit ring, again raising her head to look at her grandma. Grandma, you must stand in for me to do it, ah. Chao Tianxiang's brows wrinkled. Come now, we already lost. Once we find your grandpa we will speak again. Her gaze shifted to Zhao Wuji. Motionless bright king, blue hills never change, green water always flows one, I'm sure we will meet again someday. She deliberately stressed the two words someday, a cold light in her eyes, she obviously had not kept any goodwill. Because Zhao Wuji might move, she did not even dare help her granddaughter recover to her best condition, only suppressing the injuries. After first leaving here it would still not be too late to conduct healing. Serpent grandmother had plentiful experience, she would not give Zhao Wuji any opportunity to act. Done speaking these words, Chao Tianxiang like this brought her granddaughter to leap away, without entering the forest depths disappearing out of sight. Seeing the serpent grandmother grandparent and grandchild pair leave, Zhao Wuji also secretly let out a breath. In the end, from start to finish the dragon duke had not appeared. At present the phoenix tail crest serpent had already been obtained. Even if this husband and wife pair wanted revenge, they would still first have to consider whether it was worth it. Once Oscar had finished absorbing the spirit ring, leaving this place even a bit earlier would be good. If the situation changed for the worse and they again encountered this unrivaled dragon serpent family, it would not go so well. By now the color of the sky was already gradually darkening. Within Stardo Great Forest the air was moist, the rich plant fragrance making people's whole body relax. If there were no longer spirit beasts here, then perhaps this might become a paradise for people. Daimyo Bai's group of 5 waited at Tang San's side. Zhao Wuji stood beside Oscar, as protectors of the two. After probably half a double hour, the first to awaken was contrary to expectations Oscar absorbing the spirit ring. Although Tang San ate the recovery sausage Oscar gave him, he did not like Meng Yuren have the assistance of serpent grandmother, instead having a bit longer cultivation time. With a long breath, Oscar slowly opened his eyes. In a split second, a change suddenly appeared in that pink light over his body, becoming a beautiful pink too, the entire person bathed in this layer of pink light. 3 spirit rings rose from below, besides the original 2 yellow spirit rings, another bright purple spirit ring manifested itself strongly. Oscar had finally broken through the Spirit Grandmaster phase, entering the Spirit Elder realm. 31st rank Spirit Elder Food System Spirit Master Oscar. Congratulations, little Ao. Zhao Wuji said to him with smile. After obtaining the 3rd Spiri ring, Oscar's entire body had subtly changed, his stature seemed to have become a bit larger, the entire person looking even more vigorous, but the biggest change was that pair of peach blossom eyes of his. In his eyes unexpectedly flickered 7-colored light, resembling the energy previously released by the phoenix tail crest serpent as it threatened everyone. Daimyo Bai laughed straightforwardly. Little Ao, you are the second of us to break through 30th rank. Congratulations, congratulations. Quickly let us have a look at what your 3rd spirit ring ability is. Oscar was obviously greatly excited on receiving the 3rd spirit ring, however, hearing Daimyo Bai mention his 3rd spirit ring ability, his smile didn't quite appear, embarrassed saying. Let it be, we'll speak again when we've returned. Ma Hongjun said. Little Ao, what are you afraid of? Don't tell me you're still afraid we'll make fun of you? Your 3rd spirit ability's spirit incantation couldn't be even funnier than your previous 2. Your brothers made a lot of effort for you, hurry up and show us the result. Oscar helplessly nodded. Only, promise, you definitely can't laugh when you hear my spirit incantation. Everyone nodded simultaneously, on their faces already somewhat smiling expressions. Oscar raised his right hand, eventually reciting his 3rd spirit incantation. Your father have a mushroom sausage. Euro. Hearing his words, practically everyone simultaneously burst out laughing, besides Tang San who was still cultivating, even Zhao Wuji burst into loud laughter. Oscar glared at everyone. Didn't you promise not to laugh? These words instead had the opposite effect, everyone's laughter became even more difficult to endure. Part 2. A strange sausage appeared in Oscar's right palm. The sausage looked similar to his 1st spirit ring ability recovery sausage. At least the bulk looked the same. However, the top of the sausage sprouted outwards, creating an umbrella-shaped mushroom head, also a bit similar to the crest of the phoenix tail crest serpent. This was possibly the origin of this mushroom sausage. Zhao Wuji was after all the teacher. The first to stop laughing, he looked at Oscar's dismayed face. Little Ao, tell everyone what your mushroom sausage does, it's a 1000-year spirit ring ability, its effect couldn't be too lacking. Oscar snorted with indignation and said. You guys laugh on. From now on, other than Tang San, I won't give my mushroom sausages to anyone. Humph. As he spoke, he lifted the mushroom sausage in his hand, his facial expression vivid. Then said loudly in an arrogant tone. Mushroom sausage, 3rd spirit ring ability. Effect, soaring. All laughter suddenly ceased, everyone looking stunned at Oscar. And all of this was because of one simple words. Soaring. Even if it was Ning Rongrong whose spirit possessed the reputation of the continent's #1 auxiliary spirit, now already looked wide-eyed at Oscar. When Ning Rongrong first came to the academy, the person she looked down on the most was Oscar, even though Oscar was the most handsome of everyone. She always believed, Oscar without attack power and a mere sausage spirit had no future in front of him. Naturally, she treated him with scorn, so Oscar's love proposal to her was thought of as just a joke. But after she denied Oscar, after Dean Flender vindicated Oscar, and after she tasted Oscar's spirit sausage personally, Ning Rongrong's impression of Oscar began to change. A food system spirit master with innate full spirit power, reaching the spirit elder realm at the age of 14, obtaining a 3rd spirit ring. This made even Ning Rongrong, who always thought highly of herself, to feel inferior to Oscar. She already had a whole new awareness. A food system spirit master that breaks through 30th rank was already rare enough, let alone one so young. If he could be brought to join the Seven Treasures Glazed Tile School, the help he would bring to the clan would no doubt be huge. If myself and him. Every time Ning Rongrong thought this, she would completely reject the notion. After all, deep in her heart she still couldn't truly accept Oscar's extremely vulgar spirit incantation. But now, when she suddenly heard Oscar say that his third spirit ring ability was auxiliary soaring, Ning Rongrong felt like her brain had been deep fried. Among auxiliary system spirit masters, it wasn't that no one had the ability to make others fly. But that was extremely rare even among other support-type spirit masters. Most importantly, the supporting ability flying appeared on at least the sixth spirit ability for every auxiliary system spirit master Ning Rongrong knew of. But this was only Oscar's third spirit ability. What did this mean? This meant that his future potential could only be described as unlimited. Soaring, how could it be soaring? Ning Rongrong's look towards Oscar was filled with complex emotions. Now, she finally realized. Among the students of Shrek Academy, she might really be the worst one. Cough, cough. Oscar, looking at everyone's mouths wide open, felt a secret pleasure. Coughing twice, he said. I still haven't finished explaining. My third spirit ring ability is, soaring, for 1 minute. Fucking a euro. Other than Zhao Wuji, who restrained himself, everyone else started cursing openly. Daimyo Bai growled. Little Ao. Do you want us to loosen up your skin? Talking with such a big pause. Oscar laughed slightly and said. Boss Dai, are you threatening me? What about soaring for 1 minute? Hey? That's still a rare ability. Daimyo Bai smirked, saying. More like rare trash ability. What about flying 1 minute? You can't even fly over a slightly wide river or cliff. The rainbow glow of Oscar's peach blossom eyes seemed to grow even more distinct. Is it really like that? What if this soaring for 1 minute was according to the speed of the phoenix tail crest serpent? What? Daimyo Bai said, astounded. You're saying that after anyone eats your mushroom sausage, they can fly at the speed of a phoenix tail crest serpent for 1 minute? Is that even possible? Oscar arrogantly said, how is that not possible? My third spirit ring comes from the phoenix tail crest serpent, so my spirit ability is naturally related to it. My feeling won't be wrong. If you want to eat my mushroom sausages in the future, you better start begging me for it. Ning Rongrong, who had just let out a breath, was once again shocked by Oscar's words. Even if it was only 1 minute, with the speed of a phoenix tail crest serpent, how far could you fly? Possibly at least 2 kilometers or more. Which meant that when danger appeared, you could in just a minute escape to over 2 kilometers away, even disregarding the shape of the terrain. The power of this ability is definitely not lacking compared to pure flying abilities. One has to know, the usual support flying abilities allowed only slow flying speeds. Zhao Wuji nodded satisfied, saying, good thing we didn't waste our energy for nothing. Little Ao, your third spirit ring is exceptionally good. With your current spirit power, how many of these mushroom sausages can you make? Oscar thought for a bit and said, this mushroom sausage uses a lot more spirit power than the first 2 types. With my current condition, I can make at most 10 in 1 sitting. Afterwards, my spirit power will be completely exhausted. It will have to replenish fully before I can make more again. Looking at the students, Zhao Wuji said with satisfaction. 10 sausages is enough. As your spirit power increases, this number will increase. Among the food system spirits, your sausages, from now on, can be categorized as highest grade. Good. Everyone prepare at once. Once Little San wakes up from cultivation, we will immediately leave this place and return to the academy. While speaking, Zhao Wuji walked towards Tang San. Oscar has already finished absorbing his spirit ring, so he decided to let the other children first rest for a bit. He himself would protect Tang San so they can leave as fast as possible to dodge all possible trouble. Teacher Zhao, I'm afraid we can't leave yet. At that moment, the cultivating Tang San opened his eyes. While speaking, he looked at Zhao Wuji. Zhao Wuji looked blankly. Can't leave? Why? Little San, Stardew Great Forest isn't a playground. I'm the teacher, my word is final. Our mission has been completed. We must return to the academy as quickly as possible. Or else, if any of you get hurt, how am I going to answer to Flender when we've returned? But... Tang San started saying urgently, but he was interrupted by Zhao Wuji. No buts. Since you're awake, everyone doesn't need to rest anymore. Tell me when we have left Stardew Great Forest. Before the sky darkens completely, we should set out immediately. Master Zhao, can't you wait until I finish speaking? Tang San stood up from the ground, looking helplessly at Zhao Wuji. Zhao Wuji's eyes flashed, but seemed to recall something, and the cold light in his eye faded away. In the past, if anyone defied his will, he would probably have slapped them with his giant bear paws already. But for Tang San, he in the end didn't dare to. Tang San's hidden weapons admittedly gave him some apprehension, but more importantly, actually. Tang San didn't wait for Zhao Wuji to open his mouth, and hastily said, I need a spirit ring as well. It would be better to immediately find a spirit beast, instead of coming here again soon. Out of the question, didn't you hear what I said? Zhao Wuji said without hesitation. Suddenly, his body stiffened. Opening his eyes wide open at Tang San, he said. What did you just say? Tang San repeated what he said seriously. I said, I need a spirit ring as well. After the fight with Meng Yuran just now, maybe it's because of the pressure she gave me, my spirit power finally broke through 30th rank. Therefore, I need a spirit ring to advance. Master Zhao, is that possible? Part 3. Zhao Wuji stared wide-eyed at Tang San. Oscar, in the process of proudly gesticulating with the mushroom sausage, relaxed his grip, the mushroom sausage dropping to the ground. Daimyo Bai's evil eye twin pupils strangely fused into one. The fatty Ma Hongjun's mouth opened wide. Zhu Zhuqing's eyes chill turned into shock. Ning Rongrong's gentle and charming face had two dimples. Xiao Wu excitedly held on to Tang San's arm. Each person used different actions to express their current astonishment. There was only one reason. The current Tang San was 12 years old. A 12 years old spirit grandmaster, to common spirit masters, was perhaps already an inconceivable existence. But to the young boys and girls present it would not feel strange at all, because each of them was one. But, a 12 years old spirit elder, they had not even heard of. Even if it was the currently most powerful, already possessing 37th rank spirit power, Daimyo Bai was also unable to imagine it. His at Shrek Academy recently set record was already broken by this person. The 14 years old Oscar became a spirit elder, and now, the 12 years old Tang San also entered this level. Breaking through 31st rank, meant reaching another phase among spirit masters, meant future prospects could not be measured. Obtaining the third spirit ring, one's strength would at once take a qualitative leap. This was also the reason why Ning Rongrong regarding Oscar breaking through 30th rank would mind it so much. Tang San, barely 12 years old Tang San, unexpectedly also entered this level. How could everyone present not also be shocked? The only one without such amazement was Tang San himself. Actually, when he still had not left Nying Academy, he was already on the 29th ranked level, and maintaining this level had also already persisted for too long, longer than any of his previously cultivated ranks. Today fighting with Meng Yuran had admittedly been an opportunity, but in fact, even without this fight, Tang San still would have broken through the 29th rank restrictions in a short time, entering the 30th ranked level. Zhao Wuji looked gravely at Tang San. Tell me, how old are you this year? You must be precise to the month. Tang San without the slightest hesitation said. 12 years and 7 months. Zhao Wuji nodded, gaze turning towards the others. You all see. Especially those of you who have not reached the 30th rank. You all see it. Tang San and you are equally old, but he is right now about to enter another phase. This is the result of great effort. 12 years old and 7 months, I think, this record will forever be preserved as Shrek Academy's record. Forever. Tang San's batch of students very possibly was Shrek Academy's last, and although the other several were younger than Tang San, Zhao Wuji absolutely believed there was still no one who could enter the 30th ranked level earlier than Tang San. Oscar said. Teacher Zhao, I don't agree with you. Tang San able to break through 30th rank, this can't be the result of effort. Zhao Wuji gave him a glare. Then you tell me why this is. Oscar grinned, saying. Since we are Shrek students, if we say that we are monsters, then, he is a monster among monsters. Hearing Oscar's words, Zhao Wuji smiled, the other students also smiled. Even Zhu Zuking's face wore a slight smiling expression. Gee, congratulations. Xiao Wu whispered next to Tang San's ear, right now she still excitedly held on to Tang San's right arm. But, I will overtake you as soon as possible. Regarding Xiao Wu's words, Tang San did not doubt them, for these several years, although each time it was Tang San who took the lead in breaking through, the ordinarily not appearing very diligent Xiao Wu would always chase after him and in a short time reach the same level. Tang San always believed that if Xiao Wu cultivated a bit seriously, her strength would certainly surpass his. Teacher Zhao, say, can we stay behind to look for a suitable spirit beast for me? Tang San probing asked. Zhao Wuji smiled faintly. Of course we can, this is what you deserve. We must not only find you a spirit beast for your third spirit ring, but must also on your behalf find a spirit beast that most suits you. Apparently, this time we must extend our time in Stardew Great Forest for a bit. Oscar had obtained a third spirit ring, Tang San broke through 29th rank to enter the 30th rank stage, it could be said to everyone's delight and satisfaction. After all, receiving results like this on the first day of entering Stardew Great Forest was already sufficient to satisfy everyone. Even if in itself strength did not advance any for the others, after entering this forest their knowledge had still increased greatly. The relationship between everyone also pulled closer in this kind of danger. Zhao Wuji did not let anyone rest there, because he feared Dragon Duke would return with Serpent Grandmother to find them, although the possibility of this was very small, he still had no choice but to guard against it. That evening, he brought the 7 Shrek students to walk about 10 li 3 in one direction, and after concealing all their traces, halted like this. Zhao Wuji's worries did not show any result. The night passed without incident. After resting for one night, everyone's energy had recovered to peak condition. Early the next day, they continued the process of searching for spirit beasts. Only this time the person getting a spirit beast was Tang San, and not Oscar. Regarding what kind of spirit beast to pick for his third spirit ring, Grandmaster had long ago already helped Tang San plan it out well, therefore Tang San believed that finding a spirit beast for him should be even easier than finding Oscar's. After all, in Grandmaster's plan were several kinds of spirit beast, with some comparatively common. As long as the cultivation age was suitable it could become his spirit ring. But things turned out contrary to what he expected. No less than 2 days passed, even though Zhao Wuji led them to seriously search, they did not find a suitable spirit beast for Tang San. As a result of previously encountering the serpent grandmother Chao Tianxiang grandparent and grandchild pair, Zhao Wuji was somewhat wary of the consequences, adding to the danger within Stardew Great Forest itself, making Zhao Wuji's tactics while searching for spirit beasts somewhat conservative, without deeply penetrating Stardew Great Forest, only bringing everyone to conduct the search in the outer parts. Even though they several times encountered thousand-year spirit beasts on the way, those several kinds of spirit beasts did not suit Tang San. The remainder were all some 100-year spirit beasts. He also couldn't blame Zhao Wuji's conservative attitude in searching for spirit beasts. After all, he was only one teacher. While encountering low-level spirit beasts, everyone were naturally able to handle it, but when encountering a truly formidable spirit beast, Zhao Wuji could not be certain to protect everyone. These students all were Shrek Academy's little monsters. Among them several people were from even more remarkable backgrounds. Zhao Wuji did not dare take risks. If anyone became an issue, that was a fatal conclusion. 2 days' time passed. Even though no one regarded food supply as a problem, each day within the great forest with danger lurking on every side still strained everyone's minds, making it even easier to feel exhausted. However, entering within Stardew Great Forest, also precisely because of the existence of this crisis, the coordination between the students gradually became connected on a deeper level. The four Tang San, Dai Mubai, Xiao Wu, and Ma Hongjun were in charge of fighting after they encountered spirit beasts. Zhu Zuqing was responsible for advance scouting within a certain distance. Oscar and Ning Rongrong were support. Even if they were without Zhao Wuji's assistance, as long as it was not a 1,000-year spirit beast, they would be unable to bring any threat to this little group. The mutual understanding was a necessary capability to possess for continuously coordinated battles. This kind of dangerous environment clearly was the best tempering. Being able to enter Shrek Academy already proved these students were outstanding, monsters and geniuses. They successfully transformed pressure into power. Adding Zhao Wuji's directions from the side, while their spirit power improvement speed did not have any change, but the imperceptible influence of fighting experience and composite strength continuously increased. At nightfall it was finally time to rest. They couldn't light a fire within Stardew Great Forest, although the majority of spirit beasts feared flame. There were also a small share of spirit beasts that were exceedingly fond of fire, and among this little share of spirit beasts, on the whole were some deadly existences. Without needing Zhao Wuji's direction, the male students were in charge of building tents, the female students were in charge of food. Of course, Oscar, this fellow, was an exception. Immediately by Dai Mubai, Tang San, and the others directed to enter the female student category. The tents were not large, and naturally insufficient to let everyone lie down to sleep, but for everyone to sit and cultivate was nevertheless no problem. To them, at all times maintaining peak fighting condition was more important than sleeping. Zhao Wuji as teacher, naturally took the work of night vigil. Hurriedly eating supper, Zhao Wuji let everyone enter the tents to rest, but called Tang San before him. "Little San, aren't you anxious?" Zhao Wuji looked at the youngster before him with a smiling expression. Tang San shook his head, saying, "Searching for spirit beasts is a matter of luck. Hurrying is no use. Teacher Zhao, you be at ease, I have patience." Zhao Wuji sighed lightly, saying, "Currently this Stardew Great Forest has also started to become desolate. Many years ago, I still remember how this was a bustling scene. At that time, even if it was around the forest, everywhere could be seen 1,000-year level spirit beast existences. But now spirit beasts are much fewer. I don't know if they all go to live inside the forest, or some other reason." Tang San said. "Regardless of the reason, it still is us humans who caused it. Although spirit beasts are fierce, us humans are even more fierce than them. Isn't that so?" Zhao Wuji stared blankly. "Why do you say this?" Tang San said. "Teacher once said, even though spirit masters are few, one spirit master from starting cultivation to maturing as a power is only several decades, that's all. But over these several decades, one formidable spirit master needs at least 6 or more spirit rings. In other words, has to kill 6 or more spirit beasts. Among these would also include 100-year and 1,000-year, even 10,000-year levels. Spirit beast cultivation is much more difficult compared to us humans, otherwise they would also not be divided according to age. Even though they are numerous, under this kind of sustained massacre, the spirit beasts' quantity will only continuously decrease, especially for formidable spirit beasts, even more each killed is one fewer. After many years, perhaps it will be difficult to see 1,000-year or higher existences. Zhao Wuji, somewhat pondering, said. Grand Master is right. Only, which spirit master would think of this problem? Who doesn't want to be able to let themselves become even more formidable? Even if Spirit Hall set restrictions, perhaps it would still be completely ineffective. This seems to be a line from a poem called Parting, Yen by 9th century poet Bai Zhi, cent a 1/2 yen plus or minus euro euro. 2 Originally the color was superscript 2 euro degree superscript 2, and has now changed to superscript 2 euro degree cent euro degree superscript 2, or pink red. 310 Copyright euro equals 5 kilometers.